Hi guys, it's Keith with Larkenburg Farms here. Today we're going to talk about grass control. Okay, here is the problem. This bed down here was only tarped to right about here last fall because I did not have a tarp to go down far enough. As you can see, the grass is starting to invade everywhere. It's completely taking over this bed of radishes. They're in here, they're struggling, but the grass has got to be taken out. Over on this bed, I never got the heads planted, so the grass came up in the holes instead. The major way we fight it is with our landscape fabric. Go through, burn holes. I'll show you that here a later time. Plant our transplants directly into them. There's only a 3-foot piece. As you can see, they don't overlap with the 4-foot piece that's next to it. So we have some grass that comes up in between. Over here, direct seeded crops, they get it even worse. It's all over in it. It's what stressed all the red mustard to go seed this early. Another way we find our pathways is just a strip of landscape fabric. Again, we burn that as well. I'll show you that here at a later time. And for longer sections, we use just flat sheets. Goes all the way down. Just put pins in it. Keep it down, keep the grass down. Occasionally we get little sprigs that pop up in between. That's fine, we'll take care of it later. The other option is using a stirrup hoe, which I'll show you here in just a second. So we go take care of the grass over here in this section. Okay, this is a stirrup hoe, also referred to as an oscillating hoe or hula hoe. The head pivots back and forth, sharp both sides. Just drag back and forth, and it cuts the grass away right below the soil surface. Alright, ideally what you're looking for when you cut, nice flat bottom on it, only about ½ inch thick. It's cut the roots at the bottom, the grass is still attached. I'll go back through with a garden weasel, it'll break all the soil off and just leave me the little nubs left, and I can just rake those up. So like we saw here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all, have a good day.